If you want to set up two-factor authentication on Threads, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So go ahead and click the profile icon at the bottom right and click the two lines or two horizontal lines at the top right next to the Instagram logo, and then you're gonna go ahead to the account, click account, and then scroll a little bit down and you're gonna see right here supervision, and under you're gonna see security, and you'll be redirected to Instagram. Alright, and as you can see right here, automatically you don't have to do anything. Select the second option, two-factor authentication, select your account. Alright, and then you have two options. You can use authentication app, or you can use SMS or WhatsApp. I'm gonna use the second option. Alright, I'm gonna wait for a few moments right here, and a confirmation code will be sent to my WhatsApp or to my number. So I'm gonna just go ahead and enter the code that I just received, 183,690. Alright, I'm gonna hit next, and basically you now turned on the two-factor authentication. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.